In sections 8 and 9 of this course, we are going to work on project number 3. So in this video right now, we're going to plan the project, and then I'll take you to the photo shoot, and then we'll come back and edit it, put it all together. So as we work on this, we're going to cover a few main topics relating to advanced composition in Photoshop. So we're really going to learn how to make your subjects look like they're really in the physical space they're supposed to be occupying in the composite, even though we're going to be shooting against a white backdrop and then using a different background image. So we'll learn how to match color tones, how to get really specific with your selections, so specific as to like selecting individual strands of hair, and then we'll learn how to bring it all together and make it all look realistic. So right now, let's go into Photoshop and start planning this image. So the idea I've had for this image is to have a sort of underwater scene where there's a guy falling through the water, and he's falling down through the water like this. So it's going to look like he just kind of like fell into the ocean. And he'll be here. And then there will be a second figure coming towards him with their arms out to rescue them. And for this picture, we're going to be using my friend Andrew for our model, and he's going to be both figures in the image. So it's kind of like symbolic, like he's rescuing himself. I don't know, it's artistic, okay? So up here we have the waves of the ocean, and then he's fallen, so there will be some sort of like visual demonstration of that, probably bubbles coming off of him and showing motion through the water. And then everything else will just kind of be dark, and then it'll show him. So this figure will actually probably be further back. So I'll scale this down a little bit. Further back, coming towards him from a distance. Then he'll be like swimming through the water to get to this guy. So that's kind of the rough idea that we're going for. We're going to shoot this against a pure white backdrop. So I'm going to take you to the studio now. We're going to shoot it all, and then we'll come back and put it all together. So I will see you in the studio.